Welcome guys, in this video we're going to talk about the following function and how to take its derivative. So the function we're going to look at is f of x equals cotangent of x over sine of x. So first let's change it a little bit. What's cotangent in terms of sines and cosines? It's going to be equal to cosine. This is going to be equal to cosine all over cosine x all over sine x sine x. Cotangent x is cosine over sine, so and then we combine the sign, so it's going to be cosine x over sine square x. We're going to do one more manipulation, which is going to be cosine x. We're going to bring down the sine square x to the top. The way we do it is by doing this: sine x over minus 2, like that. Now we can take the derivative using the product rule and the chain rule. So we do it like this: f prime of x is equal to derivative of this one. It's gonna be cosine x. It's gonna be times. We bring down the negative 2, so we're gonna put a negative 2 on the front, and then times sine of x. And then minus 2 minus 1, that's negative 3, times the derivative of the inside. The derivative of sine is cosine, so that's cosine x, then plus. Now we take the derivative of cosine, that's negative sine, so we change the sign here: negative sine x all over this one, sine x square. Okay, now let's change a little bit here. Here we can cancel 1 and 1. Here so we're gonna do negative 2. This is equal to negative 2, and then cosine x square, and then all over sine x cubed minus 1 over sine x. Now let's combine the fraction. So it's gonna be negative 2 cosine x minus all over sine cube x. And then to make this a sine cube, we're gonna multiply top and bottom by sine x squared, so it will be sine square x. Now if you remember what the identity sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, so we're gonna do, so the top is gonna become negative 2 cosine square x plus cosine x square minus 1. Remember, I used the identity sine square equals 1 minus cos square x, and distributing the minus gives me positive here and a minus here, all over sine cube x. So this is equal to, we can cancel 1 cos square, so that's gonna be negative 1 minus cos square x all over sine cube x, and this should be our answer. Thank you very much.